everybody. Today we will be going over theming Web3 Onboard to match your Dapp. My name is Adam Carpenter. I'm a software engineer here at Blocknative. We'll want to start by visiting onboard.blocknative.com. A link will be provided below in the description. This is the official documentation site of Web3 Onboard. From here we will select the Documentation tab, and under Getting Started, select the Custom Stylings. From here, we'll go ahead and click Try Out Our Theming tool. In this view, we can see an input where we can enter our site's URL. A note here, not every site allows iframe injection. If this is the case, you can go ahead and take a screenshot of your site and drag and drop it into the drop zone there. For this example, we will be working with CowSwap. So we'll head over there, grab the URL, drop it in the input box, and click Preview on our website. Now we can see what CowSwap would look like using Web3 Onboard. We can try out the different themes within Web3 Onboard, starting with dark. We have a light theme and system, which will switch between light and dark based on this user's system settings, or in this case, the documentation site's settings. Let's hop into the customization. From this view, we can see the different CSS variables that make up the theme for Web3 Onboard. We'll want to go ahead and disable the backdrop. This will allow us to view the website without the Web3 Onboard backdrop to match the color palette. Upon selecting a variable, we can set the color using RGB, HSL, hex, or the color slider. In this case, we'll be working with the eyedropper to select colors right off the site itself. Background color, we'll use the dark navy. The foreground, we'll use the lighter navy. The text color, we'll use the nice light blue from the CowSwap logo. The border color, we'll select the navy down here, right in between the two. And for the action color, we'll select the yellow from the cow's eyes. All right, we can set the border radius, although it looks like it's already lined up with the CowSwap border radius. It defaults to 24 pixels, but in this case, I don't think we need to change anything. All right, let's turn the backdrop back on, and this is what the theme would look like integrated into CowSwap. Looks pretty good. From here, we can copy the theming config, which is a copy of the object shown above, and head over to our demo project. In this case, we are using Blocknative's React demo, which can be found on our GitHub repository. Here we can drop in the object under the theming property within the Web3 Onboard initialization. We could also pass in a string of dark, system, light, or default here. But for the custom, we'll pass in an object. Now we head over to the React demo. From here we can see our new theme looking real nice in our React demo project. A note on the icon, we can update this icon by passing in an SVG string into the icon property within the app metadata object in the initialization. Alrighty, so say we want to get a little more fine grain with our styling and theme. We can hop back to the custom styling page, and under the custom properties, we have a list of CSS variables. From here, we can get much more granular with our theme and styling. So say we want to update this progress bar, and we want the color to match the border color. We can go ahead and grab that CSS variable, which is, let's see, onboard connect sidebar progress background. So we'll grab that CSS variable, we'll copy it, we'll head over to our demo project, and within our app CSS, we'll want to make a property for the root selector. And within this, we can pass in that variable and set it to whatever value we'd like. In this case, we will use the same color as we use for our border color. Copy that, head on back to the app CSS and drop it in there. Throw a semicolon on, head back to the demo, reload, and boom. Matches up real nice. So from this view, we can see all the CSS variables to fully customize Web3 Onboard. That's it for today. Thank you for joining. Please feel free to reach out through our Discord or our GitHub if you have any questions or run into any troubles.